Hello friends, this is Vedika and in this video we are going to discuss our geography chapter number 5, which is major domains of the earth. So in this chapter we will learn about lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, continents, oceans, and we have a small quiz. So let's start. Lithosphere. The solid portion of the earth on which we live is called the lithosphere. There are two main divisions on the earth's surface: continents and ocean basin. The highest mountain peak is Mount Everest and its height is 8,848 meters. The greatest depth of 11,022 meters is recorded at Marina Trench, which is located in Pacific Ocean. Edmund Hillary and Tenzin Norgay Sherpa were the first men to climb Mount Everest on 29 May 1953. The first woman to climb Mount Everest was Junko Tebai on 16 May 1975. You know friends, the first Indian woman who climbed Mount Everest was Bachendri Pal on 23 May 1984. Atmosphere. The gaseous layers that is surrounded by the earth is called the atmosphere. It also protects us from the harmful gases. Atmosphere extends up to a height of about 1,600 km. Atmosphere has 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Atmosphere is a composition of nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, and 1% other gases like carbon dioxide, argon, etc. So friends, in this picture you can see the earth and the 5 layers. Hydrosphere. Water covers a very big area of Earth's surface, and this area is called the hydrosphere. The Earth is called the blue planet because more than 70% of Earth is covered by water only, and 29% is covered land. 97.5% of water is too salty for human use, and 2.5% of water is fresh water for human use. So friends, you can see the hydrosphere. Biosphere. The narrow zone where we find land, water and air together, which contains all forms of life, is called biosphere. The organism in biosphere is divided into plant kingdom and animal kingdom. Emission from industries, thermal power plants, vehicles can pollute the air. CO2 means carbon dioxide is an important constituent of air, but if CO2 increased can lead to global temperature. You can see friends, here is atmosphere, here is lithosphere, and here is hydrosphere. They all are meeting at a place, and this place is called the biosphere. Continents. There are 7 major continents. In the order of their greater part of landmass are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Asia. Asia is the largest continent of the world. It covers one-third of total land area of the earth. Asia is separated by Europe by the Ural Mountain on west. Asia lies in the eastern hemisphere. Tropic of Cancer passes through this continent. Eurasia is the combination of landmass of Europe and Asia. Africa. Africa is the second largest continent after Asia. The equator runs almost through the middle of the continent. The Tropic of Cancer, the equator, and the Tropic of Capricorn passes through this continent. The river Nile is longest river in the world and highest mountain peak is Mount Kilimanjaro. They both are located in Africa. The largest land mammal, the African elephant, the tallest mammal, the giraffe, and the fastest mammal, the cheetah, all are found in Africa. North America. North America is the third largest continent of the world. North America is fourth largest in population. It is surrounded by three oceans. They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean. Canada is the largest country in North America. Mexico City is the capital of North America and it is also a largest city in North America. South America. South America is the fourth largest continent of the world. It lies in the southern hemisphere. It has the world's largest river, which is the Amazon, a very sharp strip of land which connects the North America and the South America, and that narrow strip is called Isthmus of Panama. The world's longest range is the Andes mountain range, located in this continent. Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent in the world. It is the coldest and the windiest continent. It completely lies in the southern hemisphere. The South Pole lies almost center of this continent. The Antarctica is covered by ice and surrounded by Southern Ocean. It is an icy desert with very little rainfall throughout the year. Europe. Europe is the smaller than Asia. Europe is a sixth largest continent, or we can say that it is the second smallest continent in the world. It lies in the west of Asia. The Arctic Circle passes through this continent. Europe is third largest in population. The Volga River in Russia is Europe's longest river. It is 3,692 km, 2,295 miles long. The currency of Europe is euro. Australia. Australia is the seventh largest continent, or we can say that it is the smallest continent in the world. It lies in the southern hemisphere. It is surrounded by oceans and seas and called island continent. It is surrounded by Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. The national animal of Australia is kangaroo and emu. Currency of this continent is Australian dollar. So friends, you can see here that here is North America, here is Europe, here is Asia, here is South America, here is Africa, here is Australia. So friends, you can see here that here is North America, here is Europe, here is Asia, here is South America, here is Africa, here is Australia, and here is Antarctica. Friends, as I told you that the small strip that connects the North America and the South America, that is this strip, and this is called Isthmus of Panama. Ocean. The ocean water always moves. There are three chief movements of ocean water: waves, tides, and ocean current. There are five major oceans which are interconnected. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. So friends, here we can see the Arctic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. So now friends, it's quiz time. So our first question is, what is lithosphere? So the correct answer is, the solid portion of the earth on which we live is called the lithosphere. Our next question is, what is atmosphere? And the answer is, the gaseous layers that is surrounded by the earth is called the atmosphere. Our third question is that, what is hydrosphere? The correct answer is, the water covers a very big area of Earth's surface, and this area is called hydrosphere. Next question is, what is biosphere? So answer is, the narrow zone where we find land, water, and air together, which contains all forms of life. This is called biosphere. Our next question is, how many continents are there, and we have to name them. So the answer is, there are 7 continents, and they are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. And our last question is, how many oceans are there, and we have to name them. So the answer is, there are 5 oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Hope you all enjoyed my video. Thank you.